In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use layers in Google Slides, a handy feature that will help you create visually appealing and organized presentations. Before we dive into the details, make sure you're signed into your Google account and have access to Google Slides. With that set up, let's get started. First, navigate to the Google Slides homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering the URL slides.google.com. This will take you directly to the main dashboard where you'll have access to all your existing presentations. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. This ensures that all your work is saved and accessible on any device. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the choice to either open an existing presentation or start fresh. If you decide to create a new project, you can either opt for a blank presentation or choose from one of the many available templates that suit different themes and styles. Templates can save you time and add a professional touch, especially useful if you're in a hurry. After setting up your presentation, let's start adding some content. If you want to demonstrate layering, you can add a few shapes to your slides. To do this, click on the Insert menu at the top, then select Shape. You can choose from various shapes like rectangles, circles, and more. Adding multiple shapes will help us illustrate how layering works. Now, with several shapes added, we can start focusing on the order or layering of these objects. To manipulate the layers, click on a specific shape to select it. Then navigate to the Arrange menu located at the top toolbar. Click on Order, and here you'll be presented with options to bring the shape forward or send it backward. This is where the concept of layers really comes in handy. Bring to front or send to back will move the selected object to the very top or bottom of the stack respectively. If you want to further fine-tune your visuals, use bring forward or send backward, which will adjust the shape's position within the existing layers without taking it to the absolute front or back. This allows for precise control over which shapes appear on top of others, creating visually interesting designs and helping convey your intended message more effectively. By mastering these layering techniques, you'll not only make your presentations look more professional, but also create slides that are clear and engaging for your audience. Remember, using layers is not just about aesthetics, it's about directing your audience's attention and enhancing the clarity of your message. So go ahead, experiment with these tools, and elevate your presentations to the next level. Happy presenting!